Hello dear students, it is your exercise 5.3 question number 1. Write the following decimal in words. So the A part is how we will write. It will be 9.5. So 9.5. Similarly, what is the number here? 74.9. As we are speaking, similarly we have to write 74.9. Next number it is 88.04. 88.04. Now the D part it is 4.66. In the decimals we don't write it as 66. How do we write? We write the numbers differently. 4.66. So how it will be written as 4.66. Similarly the E part it will be written as 28.702. F part 465. The first one number before the decimal we write it as we write in the normal number name. So it will be 465.19. Similarly you can do the G, H, I and J parts. It will be 345.004. 127.045. 301.275. 209.050. Now the next question is convert the following fractions to the decimal. Now we have to write this fraction into the decimal form. Now 1 0 and 1 number, so we will write it simply as 0.6. Now here are 2 zeros and 3 numbers above. We always count it from this side, so 1 and 2. So the decimal will be after these two numbers here. So it becomes 3.33. The next question it is 75 by 1000. So 3 zeros are here but above only 2 numbers are there. So we will put 1 0 before 7. So now 3 zeros and 3 numbers above. So where will we put the decimal? 1, 2 and 3. So it will be before 0. So it's 0.075. Similarly the D part here is 7 by 100. We are having here 2 zeros but above only 1 number is there. So we will put 1 0 before. So now 1 and 2. So where we will put the decimal? Before 0. So it becomes 0.07. Similarly, we will do the E part. Here 3 numbers and 3 zeros. So it becomes 0.125. But now in the next parts here the denominator it is not 100, 1000 or 10. So we have to make first we have to change the denominator. So 1 upon 4 we can multiply by 25 up and down. So it becomes 25 by 100. Now we can easily write it in the decimal form. So 2 zeros, 2 numbers. So where will I put the decimal? Before 2. So it becomes 0.25. How do we read it? 0.25. It will not be read as 0.25. So how do we read? 0.25. Similarly here it will be read as 0.125. Now 3 by 5. 5 we can multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10. So it becomes 6 by 10. And how to write it? 0.6. Again here the denominator it is 2. Now we can multiply it by 5. It becomes 35 by 10. Now 1 0 but above here are 2 numbers. So from this side we will select only 1 number. So where will the decimal come? Before 5. So it becomes 3.5. Now the I part it is 12 1 by 10 but it is in the mixed fraction. So first of all we will convert the mixed fraction. So it becomes 120 multiplied by 10 plus 1 by 10. 12 multiplied by 10. So it becomes 120 plus 1 by 10. It is 121 by 10. Now 1 0 and we will select one number from this side. So where will the decimal lie? Before 1. So it becomes 12.1. Similarly, the J part, it is there 9 2 by 4. Again it is in the mixed fraction. So first of all we will convert the mixed fraction. It becomes 38 by 4. You know the 4 here also we have multiplied by 25. So 38 by 4 multiply by 25. In the rough space you can multiply 28 by 4. 0, 190, 16, 1, 6 and 1, 7. It is 950 by 100. So 2 zeros and from here we will select two numbers. So it becomes 9.50. Now similarly the next part, it is question number 3. It is reverse of our question number 2. So it is convert the following decimals to the fractions. Now you can see after decimal there are two numbers. So how to write it in fraction? 413. After decimal how many numbers are there? That much zeros we will put, followed by 1. So here after decimal 3 numbers are there. So how many zeros down we will put? 1, 2, 3 and 1. And here after decimal only one digit is there. So how many zeros we will put down? Only 1 0 followed by 1. Similarly in the D part it is 60.04. After decimal two numbers are there. So we will put 2 zeros. E part it is 2.365. After decimal there are 3 numbers. So how many zeros down? 3 zeros down. Now write the place value of the underlying digit. Now before the decimal you know it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. But after decimal the first digit it is 10th place, then 100th and then 1000th. So what will be the place value of this 8? It will be thousands. THS. Now it is after decimal the second number. So second number it has the place value of hundreds. So how we will write it as? We will write it as hundreds, or you can write the number also. It can be 8,000s and 500s. Similarly, we will do the C part. It is the first number after the decimal. So its place value will be 1/10. Second number after the decimal, it will be 800ths. Now it is the number before the decimal. So ones, tens, 100, thousands. Here the spelling it is different. So it will be 2000s. Now F part it is after the decimal first number. So it will be 9/10. Thank you.